In this video, we are going to talk about how you can integrate interactive content using our authoring tool, the Writer. Now let's click into Writer and into the book itself and to any of the pages that you would like. Now, on the left scroll bar, simply go to OAM, click and drag over to the page, and you will see that there's a list of different topics listed out for you. We have also grouped them according to age groups, so you will see that this is physical processes for group 9 to 11 and this is for 5 to 7. So click into the group itself and you will see that there's a number of interactives in here for you to choose. So some are interactive quizzes like this one, and some are learning objectives that has animated video, and some are like, just look around and see which is the one suitable for you. Click onto the one that you like and simply insert. Now if this is not what you would like, you could also do a search. Let's say you're doing, let's say in this topic of nutrition in plants, you want topics on plants, and you can search by keywords, right? And this is what you see. Now, for some of you, you may have a list of the IDs provided to you. You could also search using IDs like this one. So you have the specific interactive ID that is given to you, right? So since we're in the topic of plants, let's search for this and scroll down all the way to the bottom. You should see an insert button. So it's pretty intuitive. Once you have added in, it will be shown onto the desktop itself. You could also play in here for a quick preview.
Plants, just like other living things, need air, water, and food to survive. But plants are special as they make their own food using sunlight.
So once you're done, update the page and simply publish the book. Once you're done, you can always check by going back to the reader. And there you go. You have this interactive media integrated onto your page. Have fun in creating your books.